And a major development breaking now. The Home Ministry bans group tourist visas to Pakistan. Sources from the Home Ministry telling your channel that group visas for Pakistani tourists will not be operational from tomorrow. As part of the original agreement, they had to come into force from March 15th. The Ministry of Home Affairs officially maintains that the delay is due to technical reasons. But sources telling us that the delay is a result of the impact of the terror strikes in both Hyderabad and Srinagar. Nikunj Garg on the phone with us with more details on this. Nikunj, what are your sources telling you?
Well,
we'll try and re-establish our connection with Nikunj, but his source is telling him at the moment that the delay is due to technical reasons officially, but the fact is that the delay is a result of the impact of the Hyderabad and Srinagar terror strikes. Now this, of course, in relation to group tourist visas to Pakistanis, the Home Ministry has decided to ban the group tourist visas to Pakistanis. Group visas for Pakistani tourists will not be operational from tomorrow. Now remember, as part of the original agreement, these had to come into force from the 15th of March, which is tomorrow. Officially, though, the MHA is still maintaining that the delay is due to technical reasons, which is why it is not going to come into effect and not be operational from tomorrow, which is the 15th of March. But sources telling your channel that the delay is a result of the impact of terror strikes in both Hyderabad and Srinagar just yesterday.